Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, class 7th, in your online mathematics class. Today I'll start this chapter, speed, time and distance. You all are familiar with these terms, speed, time and distance. You all have studied these in your previous class. So what is speed? Speed is equals to distance upon time. Time is equals to distance upon speed, and distance is equals to time multiplied by speed. Now if you want to convert speed in meter per second, you'll multiply it by 5 by 18. Speed is given in meter per second and in kilometer per hour. So if you want to convert the speed in kilometer per hour to a speed in meter per second, you will multiply it by 5 by 18. And if you want to convert the speed in kilometer per hour, multiply the speed by 18 by 5. Okay, now come to exercise 10a. Question number 1, express the following in meter per second. So what we do here, we have to convert this speed into meter per second. So we simply multiply this number by 5 by 18. So 36 multiplied by 5 by 18 is equals to 2 9 times, 2 1 times, 2 8 times, 9 1 times, 9 2 times. So here we get 10 meter per second. Next is question number 2. Express the following in kilometer per hour. To convert the speed in kilometer per hour, we multiply it by 18 by 5. So here we get 324 divided by 5, and convert this into improper fraction, into mixed fraction. You will get 64 whole number 4 upon 5 kilometer per hour. Question number 4. Ayush runs 15.6 kilometer per hour. How many meters does he run in 2 minutes? So here what is given, speed of Ayush is given and time taken to cover that distance is given, that is 2 minutes. So what is given? Speed of Ayush. Speed of Ayush, that is 15.6 kilometer per hour, and we have to find out the distance, right? And time taken is given. Time taken is equals to 2 minutes, and we have to find the distance, and we have to find out the distance in meters. So to find the distance in meters, first we convert this speed into meter per second and we convert the time into second. So speed of Ayush in meter per second would be speed of Ayush. To convert this into meter per second, first we multiply it by 5 by 18. Now we remove this decimal. Here we get 0. Now when you solve this, you will get the answer 13 by 3 meter per second. Now time taken by Ayush, time taken is 2 minutes, and when we convert this into seconds, we multiply it by 60. So here we get 120 second. Now the distance traveled by Ayush. Distance traveled by Ayush is what? Speed into time. So we have a speed 13 by 3 and time we have 120. 3 1 times, 340 times. So here we get 520 meters. A motorist travelled 1/2 of his journey at 60 km per hour and completed the remaining 90 km in 1/2 hours. What was his average speed for the whole journey? A motorist travelled a distance, a certain distance. Suppose this is the distance. Now, what is given? That he covered half of his journey. Suppose at this point C, he has covered half of his journey with the speed of what? With the speed of 60 km per hour, right? And completed the remaining 90 kilometers. So what would be the remaining distance? This is the remaining distance, right? So this is 90 kilometers. So he covered this distance in how much time? In one whole number 1 upon 2 hours. What we have to find? We have to find out the average speed. Now see, this is the total distance, right? And this at this point a motorist covered half of his journey, right? So it means that this distance is also 90 kilometers, because at this point the motorist covered half of his journey. So the remaining distance is also the half of the total distance. So this distance is 90, it means this distance is also 90. Now first we find out the distance traveled by the motorist at 60 km per hour. So here the distance traveled is 90, right? Now what we do, first we find out the time taken by a motorist to cover this distance AC. Okay, so first we write here distance traveled by a motorist at 60 kilometer per hour is 90 kilometers, right? And remaining distance is also equals to 90 kilometer, and time taken to cover the remaining distance is 1 whole number 1 upon 2 hour. That means 2 ones are 3 by 2 hours. Okay, now we find out the time taken by a motorist to cover the distance AC. So time is equals to what? Speed is equals to distance upon time. Time is equals to distance upon speed. So distance is 90 and speed is 60. So here we get 3 3s are 3 2s are. So here we get the time 3 upon 2 hours. Now we find out the average speed. So first we find the total time taken. Total time taken is equals to 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. That means the denominators are same. So here we get 6 by 2, which is equals to 3 hours. This is the total time taken by a motorist and the total distance traveled. And the total distance is equals to what? 90 plus 90, which is equals to 180 kilometers. So average speed is equals to total time taken upon total distance. So total distance by total time taken. That means this, right? So here we get 60 kilometer per hour. Question 11. A truck and a bus started off at 10:30 a.m. from opposite ends of a highway. The truck traveled at a speed of 40 km per hour and the bus traveled at a speed of 54 km per hour. If they passed each other at 1 p.m., what was the length of the highway? So what the question is saying, that a truck and a bus started off. Suppose this is the position of truck and this is the position of a bus. A truck and a bus started off at 10:30. Right? From opposite ends. So it will travel in this direction and it will travel in this direction. Now the truck traveled and what is the speed of the truck? The truck traveled at a speed of 40 km per hour and the bus traveled at a speed of 54 km per hour. Now was the question saying that if they pass each other at 1 p.m. Suppose they are at point C at 1 p.m. They both are at point C at 1 p.m. Then we have to find out the length of this highway. So what is the time taken by a truck to reach at point C? It started at 10:30 and it reaches at point C at 1 p.m. Then what would be the time taken by a truck to travel this distance? So the time taken by a truck to reach at point C is 2 hours 30 minutes. Now we convert this 30 minute into hour. 1 upon 2 hour, which is equals to 5 upon 2 hours. Now this is the time taken by a truck to travel this distance TC. Right? Now we have to find, and the time taken by a bus is also the same to travel this distance BC is 5 by 2. Time taken by a bus to reach at point C is equals to 5 upon 2 hours. Okay. Now we know the speed, we know the time, we will find out this distance TC. We know the speed of a truck, right? So the distance, this distance TC is equals to speed into time. Speed is 40 and time is 5 by 2. So here we get the distance 100 km. Now this distance BC is equals to speed into time 54 into 5 by 2. So here we get 135 km. Now the total distance, or you can say the length of the highway. So the length of the highway is equals to 100 plus 135, which is equals to 235 kilometers.